Here we go, at the top of the class on a roll, and it's time to run it up, yeah you know. Maxed out, put the pedal to the floor, ayy, on the road, here we go, yeah we winning by a landslide, never see me coming up.
Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Darius Collier, aka Mr. General Motors, and I do have a video today for you guys. Right now, I'm just kind of still working on my 96 Impala SS project. Trying to get this thing ready to be my daily driver. Let me show you guys the inside. So right now, it is a little work in progress. I removed the entire dash so that the entire dash can be painted. Everything is all original, so nothing is out of order. All the wires, everything is there. AC works. Dash, it's a little dusty because I've been working on it. I have both of the door panels off. Just got finished fixing all of the windows. So today's task is just pretty much to finish the rest of the insides as far as painting. I have all the wires, everything is ran, everything just has to be installed. I'm gonna be installing the music, changing the carpet out. But of course it sounds like it wants to rain and thunder, so it might put me down a little bit. So we'll see what's up. So of course it started raining as I was trying to get work done with my buddy here, Minnie. It's my helper. But of course it started raining, so I have to wait a little bit before I start actually painting and prepping. So I'm gonna get inside and come back to recording. Alrighty, so guess what? It stopped raining. I waited a little bit, waited for the sun to go down, for it to get a lot cooler now, and it actually seems like it wants to rain again. I was able to get this dash pad set up again so that I can paint. You know, while we're just doing stuff outside, but as you guys see, the dash pad is cleaned. It's cleaned of soil and everything, but that's just a discoloration. So, but it's trying to rain again, so we'll see if this gets done today. So this is what I have on the table. A lot of people use the medium gray. That's what a lot of people say is the right color for the medium gray for the Impalas. What they never say is the color that goes on the top of the dash pad. All the pictures I look at, it's not the same color. This is gonna be the color that I'm gonna try. It's the color that I like. And this right here is just gonna be, you know, just something to take off all the soil and all the grease. So I'm actually just gonna skip the dash pad, and I'm just gonna get the pillars for the front, and I'm gonna hit it with gray. I want to try to do something before it starts back raining, so let's see how this turns out. Okay, so I hit it with the first coat. You know, you always want to do the first coat light, so I haven't done a full color change yet, but this is just the first coat. They advise to wait anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes before you hit it with the second coat, so I'm gonna hit it with the second coat, see how this bad boy comes out. All right, guys, so it's the next day, and guess what? It still decided it wanted to rain again. I'm here in South Florida, so it just does what it wants to do. But anyways, I was able to get to the pillars. I did paint them. They came out really nice. So let's take a look and let's see. Alrighty, so I say this is about 4 coats of the medium gray, and I think it came out nice. This is just the pillars. I'm unsure if I'm gonna be able to do the dash pad because even though it's the next day, it's still trying to rain again. But look how good it came out. So the majority of the car is going to be medium gray. So is the color that it's going to be. So it's crazy what a little bit of paint can do to an interior of the car. I mean, that SEM paint does justice, but I'm gonna do the rest of the car so that it comes out looking brand new. Even though the car is low mileage, it did sit out in the sun. So as you guys know, the sun does a lot of damage to the cars that sit out, messes up the clear coat. These 94 through 96 Impalas, all the different plastic pieces inside the cars, they become very brittle over time. So you have to be very delicate when you end up taking some of these pieces off of the cars. So when you take them apart, a lot of pieces end up breaking, but you got to glue them back together. But hey, we say a car that came out in 94 to 96. It's been a long time. So it was time for it to be revamped. So I'm going to try to get to the Dashpad today. I'm just unsure of how the weather is going to be. It's already rained already today, but I think it might come back because I still kind of feel a little couple drizzles. So this might go on to day 3. We'll see. Let me just wait a few minutes before I start on that because I like it to be dry. I don't want no rain to be on the Dashpad because I want it to look really nice, especially with the Dashpad being the main thing in the front of the car. So let's check that out. Hopefully the next little slide or whatever. But you guys stay tuned. Alrighty, so we're gonna try this again. The Dashpad has been cleaned off. I'm gonna wipe it off once more just to double check. Don't want any oil or dirt on it. And the next time you see it, things should be brand new. So honestly, I don't know. It's still wet, so you see some spots that's here. I guess I gotta wait until it dries for me to really know. I mean, when I'm looking at it from here, the color, it is a different gray. But when I'm showing you guys on the camera, it still looks like it has like a bunch of stains or whatnot. So it's not dried up yet. So I guess we'll see. I don't know. The pillars came out amazing, but the dash, I'm just not happy with this dash. I might have to take this thing all the way down and redo it. I mean, I gotta wait till it dries. I'm gonna wait till the morning and just kind of see what I need to do because I need it to be perfect. So I'm gonna just try it again and see what happens. Okay, so I got it back in. That top of the dash looks pretty good. Now we just got the rest of the pieces to knock out. Still have to do the door panels after the speakers are installed. New carpet. And I will touch up the rest of the interior pieces. Headliner has already been done. And then I will go ahead and put the rest of the pieces, rest of the lights, install them back. Put the rest of the music in. End up putting the lower bezel back on. Install a radio, glove compartment. But I think overall that dash looks a lot better than what it did. Y'all let me know what y'all think. So this dashboard is supposed to be a different color than the rest of the grays, so it's okay. It's supposed to be darker. That's how it was original from the factory, so I'm putting it back to those specs. Thanks guys for watching.